Safe, simple to use, reliable, cost-effective and eco-friendly. Verifine Safety Lancets-M type. Your ideal choice for safety lancets. Safe, sterilized needles retract instantly after use, preventing reuse and exposure to contaminated needle. Less painful, a specially designed needle tip combined with a dual spring mechanism ensures a quick and less painful puncture. Reliable, precision engineered for consistent performance. Cost-effective. Less packaging volume to save freight cost and shelf space. Eco-friendly, less material is used to protect environment. Before using the Verifine Safety Lancets-M type, ensure you are wearing gloves according to your facility's protocol. Use an alcohol swab to clean the skin and allow it to dry completely. To activate the lancet, rotate the twisting cap less than half around and then pull it out. This will prepare the device for use. Place the device on the puncture site and press firmly to activate the lancet. The double spring mechanism ensures a quick and less painful puncture. After the puncture, discard the used lancet into a sharps container in accordance with local, national, and regional regulations. Once the procedure is complete, gently press the finger towards the puncture site to obtain an adequate blood sample for testing. Promise Med, professional manufacturer for premium healthcare products.